So friends, today I will teach you how to draw beautiful drawings. So we are going to draw the beautiful girl as you can see on the thumbnail. So we will start with using a pen because pen gives a beautiful texture. You can see first we will draw the main body of the girl and after that we will detail it to form a beautiful picture. See, as you can see what I am doing. I am drawing a beautiful curve and using this pen. This is a normal ink pen and nothing else, friends. See what I am doing is, see, this way I have created a face. As you can see, it looks very weird, but after I give it a detailed look, it will look marvelous, friends. I am telling correct. See this, friends. Then we will give some highlight. We will start making its hairs. It's just a rough sketch, friends. Don't think that my video is wrong. So please watch till end, and you will be amazed after you will see my last drawing. So see, we have done it some like this. The main texture is like this. See, we will give some highlight to the photo. We are using pen, so because to get nice results. See, now we will start making the beautiful eyes of the girls. As you can see, it is so beautiful. Yes, have you seen this such a beautiful girl in your life? But if you imagine this is my mother's face, and after giving it a detailed look, it will be my mother's face. Now let me give it some highlights. This is my mother's lips. You can see it's quite fascinating. But once I use my pencil, you will be amazed. You will be shocked after seeing. See, now we'll give some highlights. Some little bits of highlights to the photo will make the photo really look nice. As you can see, what I am doing is I am giving it a highlight, a background highlight, friends. You can see. Let's make an edit to the outline, and now I am giving it going to give it a final touch. And after giving it a final touch, it will look very beautiful. We'll keep making her hairs very curly and very beautiful, like my mother's hair look. And see, we're giving it some tasty highlights. Now we will make her arms. We start making her arms, the base of her arms, like this, like this, this and this, and this form the base of our photo. And now I'm going to highlight with my pencil, and after highlighting I will show you. So friends, after putting this, I highlighted the photo and it looked like this when after I highlighted the photo. Do you like it, friends? It's one of my biggest arts. So beautiful. It just looked like my mother. If you like the video, please do like and share and subscribe.